Harrington Financial. We at the Essence Festival.
Tripping with my cousin.
Tripping with 2019.
What's up? It's your girl Naja. I'm about to just show y'all real quick in this video how I made these shirts for me and my cousin. We went to New Orleans for Essence Fest. So I decided, hey, it was last minute, like thinking about the shirts. But I was like, you know what, let me try to make them real quick. So I made these shirts for us. First, I print out these little location pins. I did the print then cut feature with the CRICUT. So I printed it out on the printer and then the CRICUT cut it out for me. You know what I'm saying? Because this is, you know, the universal sign for location. Drop a pin where you at. Okay, and then I cut out our Instagram. So this is gonna go on the back, our Instagram, right? Cut it out on some white vinyl, simple, you know, a little light, something light, you know what I'm saying? I'm just weeding it out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little faster because I know y'all already know what it look like to weed something out. So we go ahead and speed this up. I'm just about to show y'all me weeding out all of the letters, all the words, everything we got. This is gonna go on the shirt. All right, so boom, these my cousin's words. This everything that's about to go on her shirt. Mine is her wine glass. It's not on there, but you know we got that too. But this was going on her shirt, and then boom, this was going on my shirt. You feel me? This is all we use. It don't even look like that much. But yeah, let's go ahead and put it on the shirt now. I had to place it, make sure the placing looks right. I went ahead and ironed the shirt, and now we're gonna go ahead and press it on. Now this is the vinyl. This is the iron-on vinyl that I'm using. And then that's the glitter iron-on vinyl. It would have been dope if it was all glitter. But I wasn't trying to do too much. It still looked cute, came out cute. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to do too much. Yeah, so just place everything. It's easier to see it without the little clear paper when I put the parchment paper over it. So I kept putting it on and taking it off to make sure it's lined up evenly. Yeah, so that's why I did that. Yeah, see, look at that. Easy. It's quick, simple, you know what I'm saying? Quick shirt to make. Last minute shirts, you know what I'm saying? And it's quick. You ain't even take that much effort. You feel me? Boom. Now, let me just show y'all a little close up of the shirt. I ain't really get no good pictures, but yeah.
Harrington Financial. We at the Essence Festival.
Tripping with my cousin.
Tripping with 2019.
Okay.
Harrington Financial.
Okay. Yeah, got IG on the back. Yeah. Okay.
What?
Yup.
Harrington Financial, y'all. Come get your taxes, your credit done. 2019, 2020. Peace.
Yup, so these was our shirts, you know what I'm saying? A light little DIY for you. Last minute t-shirts, and it came out decent. It's like, okay, I'm satisfied, you know what I'm saying? It's dope. It's a little backwards right there. It's in the mirror, but y'all get the picture. Here we go. Let me put it forward for you. Okay. But yeah, y'all don't forget, rock with me on the gram. Go rock with me on the gram. Beautiful Bliss _. V like Victor. Go follow me, you know what I'm saying? Comment something under this video if you got a question. Like the video. Just like it to like it. You feel me? Hit the motherfucking subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. You feel me? Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Go do what you gotta do. What you gotta do might be subscribing. It might be watching another one of my videos. You feel me? It might be commenting on this video. Share the video. Share it with somebody who like to do DIY stuff, who crafty, you know. If you know somebody crafty, share this video with them because they might want to make them some shirts too for their next girls trip. You feel me?